Hey guys, welcome back. And oh, hi Bully. Hi Bully. And this one is not my dog. Those two. As you see, I have two huskies. One is over there. That's my husky over there. This one is not. And I have a white German Shepherd right over there. And clearly a broken fence gate because my German Shepherd. And my husky is the one who bites me because I'm little and you know that channel Freitas 29? His tablet broke. That's why he never makes new videos again. Yeah, that's why. Oh, come on, boy. You want to scratch? Come on, come on, come on. Hey, you did it. You're a good boy. So guys, this clearly is a video to see how my dogs, and there's my dog's doghouse, but it's not his. And that's clearly the end of the video. So, bye.